So I've been using the Apple TechWoven case for 3 months now on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I have to admit, I was wrong about this case. Let me tell you guys my experience with the last 3 months with the Apple TechWoven. Now, I've been using this case a lot, as well as, of course, all these other cases that I have. I have a ton of them, so I'm constantly switching back and forth, even multiple times a day. So it's not like it's been my daily case, but it's for sure been in the rotation. So let's take a look at how it's held up. Now, this has been 3 months. At the time of shooting this video, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has been out for right around 3 months. I got this right on release day, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, compared to the Apple Fine Woven from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I believe it was, this has held up much better. There's no staining, there's no real MagSafe imprints, no tears in the material. All the way around the case, everything looks very, very good on here. Now, when I was talking about this case, I was saying, you know what, guys, it's not going to be in the top 10, top 20, top 30, none of that. I was claiming that it was a pinky destroyer, which, to be honest, still to this day, it is a little bit. But it's definitely gotten, or at least I've gotten, I can't say it's gotten better. I've gotten more used to it to the point where it doesn't feel as bad anymore. The fit on it seemed to maybe, I don't even want to say it improved, but maybe I just at first I needed to wear the case a little bit. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about there, because it does have a little bit of a confident click on there. But I was definitely wrong about this case, and I've actually really, really enjoyed it for the last 3 months. Now, when I originally released the video, it was like, you know, yeah, it was the first week of the iPhone. Apple's cases, I always do those cases first because they're right there readily available at the Apple Store. You don't have to wait for them or anything like that. I got it, I reviewed it, and I was like, because, you know, the general kind of common knowledge is that Apple's cases aren't the best cases in the world, right? There's plenty of other cases, and of course there are way better cases out there still to this day right now than the iPhone 17 Pro Max TechWoven, which, by the way, I did do my top 10 case list already for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I'll leave at the end of this video. But originally when I said it won't be in the top 10, 20, or 30, if you guys saw the video, this was an honorable mention. It was the last honorable mention before hitting that top 10 case list. So that is definitely saying something, because this case is actually been really nice. I've seen it all over online. A lot of people have been talking about it. Oh, I love the TechWoven, love the TechWoven. And at first I didn't really get it. I wasn't a huge fan. But as I've been using it, and as I've been using it, I've really been enjoying the TechWoven. So let's go ahead and bring that iPhone over here and see how it looks on the case and how it's been. So actually, before we do that, let's put it in. No real click test. Here, just one for you. There you go. Just one test for you right there. But as I've been using this case, I've really been getting used to the fit of it, right? So taking a look at those corners, still 3 months later, you're getting a pretty decent click onto there, onto all 4 corners. Now, at first when I got it, like I said, I think I just had to break the case in a little bit because it did not fit as well as it does now. Now, this is not a replacement case. This is the exact same iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's the exact same Apple TechWoven case that I unboxed and reviewed on this channel. And one gripe about it I had that was you can see the exposed sides. You can see the color of the phone going all the way around. Well, little did I know, the more and more cases I got, that was going to be kind of a common theme nowadays when it comes to the 17 lineup, at least the 17 Pro and Pro Max. We're going to leave the Air and the 17 alone for right now. But with the Pro and Pro Max, a lot of cases this year do that. They show the edges of the phone through the front that they did not do last year. And that's something that I've gotten used to. And when it comes to the fit of this, I haven't actually had anything creeping in there and scratching up my phone or anything like that, because it is pretty decently tight. I mean, I have to admit it. It is pretty decently tight on this case. And that's when it comes to whether things will get in there or not. Now, it is a little bit of a dust magnet, right? It'll collect some dust, but a lot of cases do that. That's not really something to knock a case down, in my opinion, for. I wouldn't say to not buy a case because it may collect some dust. But what I really do like is no dust has gotten trapped in between the phone and the case because of the sides being visible right here. So all around, I have really, really actually been enjoying it. Yes, you're not getting the most protective case, not the craziest screen lip or camera protection on there, but for a minimal style case, for a case that's nice and slim, which this case pretty much is. It's not very heavy. It's not supposed to be super protective. It's a case that's going to give you some protection from your everyday nicks, dings, scratches, things like that without that crazy drop protection. Again, that's not really what this is advertised for. But all around, I've actually really been enjoying the Apple TechWoven. It's going to continue staying in my rotation because this case, it just feels really good, actually. This texture here on the back, it's something different that a lot of cases don't have. It really gives a lot of grip to the phone. The sides have a very similar style texture. It's just a little more muted than the back is, and it goes all the way around. So you're checking the grip box. You're getting really good buttons. Of course, a great camera control button. It's an Apple case, right? You're getting very even, perfect cutouts. Again, Apple case. The USB Type-C port, it looks like it's a little bit off-centered. Am I wrong? Looks like it's maybe like a tiny bit off-centered, but that's not really a huge deal. I mean, it just is what it is. Yes, I would love to see this be less sharp. It's not as sharp as I was kind of claiming it would be in the original video, or maybe I just got used to it because obviously I didn't file the case down or anything like that. Yeah, I mean, holding it like this right now, I can feel the bottom edge of it. It's not by any means the worst of any case that I've experienced, even for the 17 Pro Max. Would I like for it to be a little bit less sharp? Yeah, of course. But it's very manageable. Like I said, I've been using it a lot. From saying that it won't even be in the top 30 of cases to going to my honorable mentions on the top 10 case list, which if you guys know, I have a bunch, probably like 200 phone cases in the studio. I have a lot of them. I use a ton of them. And to be anywhere in that top 10 or in those honorable mentions really says a lot. And especially when it comes to an Apple case. So yeah, I was wrong. I was wrong about the Apple TechWoven. If I am going right now, especially, I mean, for the $60, it's a little bit too high in my opinion still, but I've seen a ton of sales on this case. I've seen it down to like in the mid 40s. Yeah, for sure, go ahead and pick one of these up. I think right now on Amazon, it's actually $10 off. It's $49.99. Still much more worth it in my opinion than the $60. But if you can catch a great sale on that TechWoven, yeah, why not? Pick it up. It's been in the rotation. It was in the honorable mentions. And yeah, I was wrong. But let me know what you guys think. Do you have the Apple TechWoven case? Have you been using it for this amount of time? I cannot wait to hear your experience with it for 3 months or however long you've had it. I really want to know, so make sure you let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. It goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my original review on that Apple TechWoven case, I'll leave that video right here. But if you guys want to see that top 10 case list, the best cases that you can buy for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, that video is right here.